Good morning, guys. Omarete Vilato here, the basement production. In this video, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make my breakfast. Okay, and this is the ingredient that I purchased at the supermarket to make my own breakfast. Normally, I would go to a diner and buy me some breakfast. It would have cost me around $20, $15, but it wouldn't feel original. It wouldn't be. I mean, I prefer to buy my own stuff. It probably cost me a little bit more, but in reality, I could have three of these breakfasts instead of just spending $20 and just once. So I prefer to buy my own stuff and make my own breakfast. As you can see here, I bought my own Bob red milk, buttermilk, organic pancake and waffle mix whole grain. I'm gonna be using the Kerrygold pure Irish butter. Guys, if you haven't tasted butter, I will recommend this butter. This is not a paid advertisement. This is for me, this is one of the best butter out there. I'm also gonna use my original red whip, sorry. My orange juice. My recommendation for those out there who enjoy pancakes, don't get the syrup. If you're gonna enjoy a nice pancake, buy Spring Tree maple syrup. You could buy any maple syrup as soon as it's 100%. If you could buy it organic, buy it organic. If not, then it's fine. I got my blueberry organic. I mean, it's not necessarily organic. I just got it because it was on sale. But if you want it organic, buy it organic. If you want regular, buy regular. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use the eggs for. And as always, my Dominican vanilla. This is 100% pure. That's how much I got left. See right here. Those are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make my pancakes. So stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do the mix. I'm gonna make my pancake mix. There you got it. I'm gonna start by using this. In reality, I don't even measure this. I just pour some in there. I think that's fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla. See right there. Just a drop, you don't have to put that much. Man, I'm shaking over here. I'm hungry. My eggs. There you have it. This stuff only said to add water, but I normally put an egg on it. It doesn't hurt. No, I'm gonna put a little bit of water. I'm gonna stir it. For my taste, I think it's a little bit too watery. So I want a little bit more flow. There we go. I hope this does the trick. Learn how to cook with Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Like I always say in my videos, when you don't know what you're doing, once you start doing something, ideas start flowing, But this I know how to do because I do it on a regular basis. Very simple to do, very healthy. So I would suggest for you guys to cook it for your kids, cook it for yourself. There you have it. That's the consistency that I'm looking for. So now you're wondering, my blueberries. Someone at my job tell me or says that I should add blueberries to my mix, and I say, you know what, that's a good idea. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna add some blueberry to it. There you have it, blueberry, guys. I'm gonna wash it. Always wash your fruit. Always wash your hands, wash your fruit when you purchase it. Here's a blueberry. I'm gonna add it to the mix. Don't smash it, just add it to the mix. Let me add a little bit more, because I really love blueberry. I like blueberries. Strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, I love those type of fruit. Gonna add a little bit more. Hope it's not too much. This is the first time I try this stuff, you know. Once you finish with this, once you finish with your flow, with the mix, put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge. Now we're gonna start preparing we're gonna cook it, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video. I'm counting on your support. Once again, Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Thank you for watching. Now we're gonna proceed with the cooking. So I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna try to make this small little pancakes. I put it in a cup. I put it in the cup. And where I'm gonna get a pan, I'm gonna put it right here. See? I'm gonna flip it so I can make little round pancakes. So I'll see how they're gonna come out. And I'm probably not gonna be able to show it to you guys because I'm holding my device to record, and at the same time I'm trying to do it. So I'm gonna show you once it's done. Hopefully it come out the way I want it to come out. So stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. There you have it. Not the way that I wanted it, but it's okay. Because I really don't like big pancakes. I like it to cook small. Guys, the only reason why I'm doing this is because I want my pancake to come out round and small. Not recommend there's a piece of utensil that they sell. It's plastic. You could put it there, and it will make it round and nice. But I'm using a cup, so hopefully that will work. There you have it, guys. It didn't come out that big the way I want it. It's good. You can see the blueberries on top of it. There you have it. I've always tried to cook my breakfast because I know what I'm cooking, and when I cook my own stuff, I know what I'm eating. Omarete Vilato, the basement production, guys. Breakfast served. My pancakes, my ready whip, my maple syrup. There you have it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Share the video, like the video. Once again, Omarete Vilato, the basement production, guys. Stay tuned for more.